I'm Sydney Wagner. I'm an Associate Product Manager for our Waukesha Cherry-Burrell Nutrition and Health brand. For many years, WCB has been doing tube refurbishment programs where customers ship in their tubes and we inspect them on site to make sure that all their dimensions are in spec for ASME code, and then also our own tolerances to make sure that you have effective heat transfer with your scrape surface heat exchangers. Now we are offering a self-inspection program. So instead of the customer shipping their tube to our facility, they're able to measure different data points on their own, and then they are able to record that on our self-inspection survey report that is sent back to our engineering team. We determine if it's within specifications for our own designs and within the ASME specifications. We're excited to offer the self-inspection program because it's more convenient for the customers. This saves time and money for the shipments, as well as it allows the customer to build their own database on the wear of their own tubes for their specific application, so that they can determine where their tube is wearing. It can also allow them to know when they need blade replacements or other components that are wear items. This inspection process is just really healthy overall to maintaining the reliability and the durability of their scrape surface heat exchanger.